message for somebody who is currently in a no contact situation. This will resonate if you just had a fight with your person and then you came on YouTube to watch a video or just to chill. But if you recently had a fight, for some of you just had fights, just like before coming and clicking on this video. If that's your case, then this is the reading for you. The universe has some message about you guys' connection. Let's get into it. There is lack of commitment. Commitment either in wanting to make the relationship successful or commitment to the other person altogether. But there is greediness, there is laziness, there is procrastination. One person is unmotivated. But you guys are supposed to be learning from your guys' failure. But there is a bad news because the other person is so much irresponsible. You guys need to know that this is the end of the connection. This is the end, as in that your spirit guides do not want you to settle for this person because there is something better lined up for you. But for you to see that better, for you to actually manifest that better into your life, you'll have to let go of this person. And you'll have to let go of this person by knowing your worth, by knowing what you deserve, and then not settling for this person's BS. That's the message. This person does not want to grow up. If you are waiting for this person to change, grow, if you are waiting for this person and this relationship, अगर आप ये relationship में इसीलिए हो because you love to wait for this person's potential, अगर आप ये person आगे future में क्या बनेंगे इसलिए अगर आपका खुद का आज invest कर रहे हो, आपका आज खराब कर रहे हो इस पर्सन के पीछे, तो ये पर्सन चेंज होना नहीं चाहते, ये पर्सन चेंज नहीं होंगे बिकॉज दिस पर्सन डू नॉट वांट टू चेंज. इफ यू नीडेड अ कन्फर्मेशन, लेट इट बी दिस पर्सन डू नॉट वांट टू चेंज. आप इनको चाहे जितना मदर करो, आप इनको चाहे जितना भी सिखाओ, वेट करो. अगर आप सोचते हो कि ओ इफ आई वेट फॉर हिम और हर ही इज गोइंग टू चेंज एंड माइट fall in love with me so much, he's gonna give me the world, it's all BS. It's not gonna happen. It's not happening. No, it's a straight away no from your spirit guides. The death आप नहीं ख़त्म करोगे, the universe will step in, the universe will intervene and end this connection, end this situation, because it's all BS. This person do not want to commit. This person is not going to give you the commitment. अगर commitment देंगे भी, 10 of cups, 10 of pentacles reversed. This does not have a future. This is not going to work out. Come in your divine feminine energy. This person knows. If you are a woman ना, और अगर आपने try करा है to move on from this person, but somehow he just keeps you into his life, somehow he just keeps coming back into your life and gives you hope. This person knows that you are the catch. This person knows that you're that girl. He knows that he'll never find a woman like you. But is he willing to change and give you the world? Is he going to change and give you what you deserve and desire? Absolutely fucking not. This is the time when you let go of him. This is the time when you move on. This is it. This is it. Death नहीं ख़त्म करोगे तो यूनिवर्स विल इंटरवाइन. नहीं ख़त्म करोगे, यूनिवर्स खुद ख़त्म करेंगे. दैट्स अ वार्निंग. दैट्स अ वार्निंग. आपको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है स्ट्रॉन्ग बन के लेट मी सी वेयर इट गोज, लेट मी सी इफ ही चेंजेस. ही इज़ नॉट गोना फकिंग चेंज. रिमेंबर वॉट यू डिज़र्व. रिमेंबर द फक वॉट यू डिज़र्व. बिकॉज ये चेंज नहीं होने वाले हैं. दे विल जस्ट कीप यू इन टू हिज लाइफ. इफ ही इज सेइंग यू आई एम गोना चेंज, लव यू सो मच, आई एम गोना गिव यू द वर्ल्ड, बट ही every time you try to move on, he is just trying to come back. It's not gonna change. The dynamics are not going to change. This is it. This is it. If you don't stop, the universe will. Because you know what's up for you? You know what's up for you? The Emperor and the fucking Empress. Your divine counterpart is lined up for you. But only if you let go of this bitch. This son of a bitch. The Magician and the Ten of Wands, you are just manifesting more chaos and more stress and more burdens for yourself. Why do you want to raise a freaking child? Why do you want to change a fucking man who just knows what he is doing? He knows it. He knows it. He knows it. If you want to teach a man, he freaking know what he is doing. Especially when it comes to this person. I'm not saying ki har ladka, no, I don't get into that. This man knows what he is doing. He's just keeping you because he know that he cannot ever find a person like you. But is he going to change and give you what you desire? A straight away no. A no. What's lined up for you is a Four of Wands. Celebration, victory, success, abundance. But are you ready to give up on this relationship that you have with this person? That's the question. Are you ready for your passionate new beginning? This person is lusting on you. The more you fall for this person's trap, the more you fall for this person's passion or trap, एक वो फीलिंग आती होगी ना, पैशन, ओ माय गॉड, आई वांट टू चेज आफ्टर दिस पर्सन, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, ऐसा कनेक्शन तो मैंने कभी किसी के साथ नहीं सोचा होगा, ऐसा रिलेशनशिप तो मैंने कभी किसी के साथ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है, आई हैव नेवर एक्सपीरियंस्ड, आई हैव नेवर फेल इन लव विद एनीबडी एल्स लाइक आई फेल इन लव विद दिस पर्सन. इट्स नॉट लव, इट्स नॉट लव, इट्स द चेज दैट यू लाइक. ये जो पर्सन आपको चेस कराता है ना, कभी कभी अच्छा फील करा के, देन ही गिव्स यू टॉक्सिसिटी. आपको ये जो अच्छा, इसके ये टॉक्सिसिटी के बाद आने वाला है. इट्स अ साइकिल. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. हाउ डू आई एक्सप्लेन? वेट. ऑल राइट, दिस इज यू गाइस रिलेशनशिप. वेट. This is a cycle that every human being and a relationship has. This is him fighting with you, giving you mixed signals, toxicity. Then you walk away from this person. After few days or few time or few months, he comes back again. Love bombing you. Love bombing. You are my world. I love you so much. I cannot live without you and all that BS. After few days, it's a smooth relationship. After few time, it's all gonna be more toxicity, more mixed signals, more toxicity, more abuse. After that, you are just waiting. ये toxic cycle होने के बाद, after this toxic cycle, all you are waiting for is this love bombing again. ये love bombing के लिए wait कर रहे हो आप, which makes you feel that you never fell in love with anybody the way that you fell in love with this freaking motherfucker, and that's not actually true. Wake up to reality. Wake up. ये सिर्फ एक टॉक्सिक साइकोलॉजिकल लूप है which is keeping you stuck, which is making you feel, oh my freaking god, this is the love of my life, he is the fucking love of my life, that's just the son of a bitch. Nothing and nothing more than that. Nothing else and nothing more than that. Do you get me? Because if you don't, the universe is going to intervene. Let me tell you what a divine intervention is. Cycle चल रही है. What the universe is going to do is divine intervene, separate the two of you, take you away with the bright future that you desire, and then punish this motherfucker for just manipulating you and keeping you into his life when he knew that he never wanted to change for you, when he knew that he just do not want to change and give you what you deserve. Because a man, because a guy, if he is in love with you, he is willing to change. Because a guy who is in love with you, चाहे उसको समझे चाहे उसको नहीं समझे, he will motherfucking change for the woman he is in love with. That's a fact. If he was in love with you, इतने देर तक एक टॉक्सिक पैटर्न में वो आपको नहीं रखता. But if he is not changing, he is never going to change, and he knows exactly what he is doing. It's you who is making yourself a fool. Do not do that. 909, as I said that. Because if you do not, you are missing out on this. A divine counterpart, and the emperor and the empress and the emperor. This is exactly what you deserve. You are showing up as an empress in this reading, or the emperor. This is not a gender bias reading, by the way. It's not even a reading. Whatever. It is a reading actually. The Four of Wands, you deserve the very best. You deserve the commitment. You deserve somebody who is on your level and not a tiny little son of a bitch, which you are currently dealing with. And if it does not resonate, let it go. You don't have to comment below, but I don't think so. I'm so much in love with him. I cannot let go of that. That's fine. let this reading be for whoever it is, and you do not have to tell me what to do in my comment section, because this is my channel. I'm gonna post whatever I want, I'm gonna post whenever I want, and if it is not resonating with you, 10 as I said that, it is simply not for you. You can go swipe up, block me, report my video, and watch somebody else's video. Do not tell me that this is not resonating. It is not for you. You need the discernment to watch something on the social media. It's not the content creator's responsibility to stick and make a perfect video for your scenario. It is your responsibility to watch, let go of, block, or do not watch, unsubscribe a video which is not for you. Right? So if it is not for you, let it be for whoever it is, because somebody needed to hear that. Somebody just needs to stop entertaining a fucking man who is not ready for her, because a man who is ready for her is waiting for her. And she needs to stop deeming her worth for somebody who is not ready for her. Right? So this is it. If you want to talk to me in a personal setup, 1111. If you want to book a personal reading, you can book that from the link in the bio. Link in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram. Love, strength, mental clarity, and a lot of dedication towards your own self to you from me. Sending you love, dedication, courage, strength to walk away. Bye bye.